the Honourable Government Ministers, Your Excellencies, High Commissioners and Ambassadors, members of the Diplomatic Corps, the Hibiscus Events Group Chairman, Mr. Hibiscus, the custodian partners, Suva City Council and Suva Retailers Association, the major sponsor of Vodafone Fiji, our friends from the media, the reigning 2015 Vodafone Fiji Hibiscus Queen, the King, the Queen, the Prince and the Princesses from last year, and our school children who marched down from Flagstaff this afternoon. Distinguished guests, our beautiful contestants, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Isambul Vinaka, Namaskar, Salam Alaikum, Noy Maur, and a very good afternoon to you all. At the outset, please allow me, ladies and gentlemen, to acknowledge and thank the members of the National Youth Band for the traditional Fijian ceremony of welcome that was accorded to me and my team earlier on when we arrived. Navalev Navetingomi, Navalev Navivaturotaki. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to express my sincere gratitude and appreciation to the Chairman of the Vodafone Fiji Hibiscus Committee and the custodian partners for kindly inviting me to officially open the Vodafone Fiji Hibiscus Festival 2016. The official opening ceremony this afternoon marks a momentous occasion as the festival celebrates its 60th anniversary this year. For many of us who grew up with the festival, the first week of the second term school holidays will always be a special time as we anticipate the Ferris wheel rides, the wide range varieties of appetizing and mouth-watering Itoke, Indian, Polynesian and Chinese cuisine, watching the fun competitions at the main Rara at Albert Park, and other events like coconut husking and weaving competitions, to name a few fun events. Some of you will remember the hot bread kitchen race competition along the main streets of Suva, the cultural performances displayed throughout the week, and the much anticipated and very colorful float procession with the then Air Pacific marching girls as they marched along to the tunes from the Fiji Police Band or the then Royal Fiji Military Forces Band. And who can forget the beautiful young ladies who grace the stage every evening, vying for the prestigious title to be the next Miss Hibiscus Queen. Since its humble beginnings at the Suva Town Hall with a single evening of festivities, the Hibiscus Festival has grown to a week-long celebration of sports, culture, and arts displays, food, and games of chances. This week has been marked in the calendars of many households across the country, I'm sure, as children and parents alike prepare to visit the grounds for all the fun activities and entertainment planned by the committee. The Hibiscus Festival now become Fiji's premier festival and fun-filled week for contestants and families alike. It is a time when the people of Suva come together to celebrate this beautiful city of ours, our diversity, our multiculturalism, our love for the arts, our love for sports, and our talents through the contestants when they are judged. It is time when we come together as a family to not only celebrate what makes this city great, but also remind ourselves about some very important issues and our responsibilities as Fijians. The theme for this year's Vodafone Hibiscus Festival is Road Safety, It's Everyone's Responsibility. Ladies and gentlemen, this is indeed a fitting theme. It is most apt and timely because we are plagued with a growing number of accident victims on our roads today. The road fatalities continue to rise, and as for the 8th of August, last week, our road death toll stood at 38. This is equivalent to 5 or 6 people dying each month. It is very sad and worrying indeed. It is a worrying trend for us as a nation to think about approximately 38 families are without a child, a mother, a father, or a grandparent. One life lost on our roads is already one too many. And as caring Fijians, we must all work together to protect each other and create greater awareness on this issue, because the more we talk about it, the more people are aware and the more our chances are of saving more lives. Reducing road accidents and saving lives cannot be done in isolation. This is why I'm grateful to the Vodafone Fiji Hibiscus Festival for providing this platform to widely publicize the importance of road safety and to create great awareness within our community. The change we need can only happen when each of us takes responsibility, whether you are a driver, a passenger, or a pedestrian. Let us all be champions of road safety. Let us take this message into our homes, our neighborhoods, our schools, and our workplaces. Let us not be complacent to allow one more family to lose a loved one through a road accident. I believe that together we can make a difference, and I urge you all to echo this theme even beyond these festivals. As Fijians, we should now take note and work together as responsible citizens of our beloved nation to reverse this unacceptable trend and to endeavor to save more of our fellow citizens by exercising caution and more care on the roads. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government is very honored and proud to be part of the Vodafone Fiji Hibiscus Festival every year. Through its vision and policies, government has always put the Fijian people at the forefront of its work. It remains committed to providing for each Fijian, and I believe that the Vodafone Fiji Hibiscus Festival brings all Fijians together to celebrate our national identity, our diverse cultures that make us unique through its entertainment programs and other events that have been planned. It encourages health and wellness through the various sporting programs during the week. It supports small businesses through the microfinance and arts villages. It empowers young men and women across the country to be confident, to be the voice of other men and women, to showcase their skills, and to not only speak on the issues that affect them, but to also be part of the solutions. To all the contestants, our beautiful young girls sitting in the middle here, I wish to share with you the sentiment shared by the Honourable Prime Minister when he spoke at the Miss Canada Beauty pageant last year. He stressed that, and I quote, "Beauty was found in the heart, through the values that guide our lives, values that tell us to care for the natural world that God has entrusted to us, values that drive us to build a better world and a better Fiji," unquote. These words must also remind you contestants and our friends of your roles in the community. As contestants, you are now role models to our children and youth, young people sitting in front of you and those who are watching. Like all leaders in the community and at the national levels, you have a unique responsibility, and I hope and urge you all to take that responsibility seriously. Other young people out there will mirror your actions and words, so please know that your role does not end when this festival ends. This is just the beginning, and I hope that you will live up to that responsibility like many other hibiscus queens and kings who have gone before you. Please continue to inspire others, and I wish you all an enjoyable and fulfilling experience during this week to come. And to all those who have come to be part of the Hibiscus Festival, be great role models as well. Let's work towards making Fiji a better and safer place to be. Fiji, the place where happiness meets you and the way the world should be. In conclusion, I wish to extend my appreciation again to the chairman of the Hibiscus Events Group, the Suva City Council, the Suva Retailers Association, the major sponsor of Vodafone Fiji, the festival organizing committee, to all the program and contestant sponsors, the business houses who have come on board to support this festival. Nawalev. Thank you. To all the partners and stakeholders, all the contestants, and all of you who are here today, thank you for your support and commitment to the people of Suva. Thank you for agreeing to be part of this prestigious event that is the pride of the Suva city. ladies and gentlemen, before I conclude, I would like to, at this juncture, pause and reflect on the Rio Olympic Games and the events of yesterday. Because it would be remiss of me, as the President and Head of State, not to acknowledge and congratulate Team Fiji, particularly our men's 7 rugby team, for their heroic, magnificent, and historic win, which has now stamped and guaranteed our status as world champions in international rugby. The Ben Ryan coached national team, ably led by their captain, Osea Kolinisau, created history yesterday by winning Fiji's first gold medal ever in a Summer Olympics Games since Fiji first forayed into the Olympic arena in 1956. This momentous and historical win has made us all happy and proud to be Fijians, and I believe it prudent that we all acknowledge and thank Almighty God for His blessings on our beloved nation in strengthening and enabling our team of 7 warriors to excel and triumph. As the whole nation is on a high and festive mood, let the celebrations and fun continue. And on this note, ladies and gentlemen, let me conclude by wishing the Hibiscus Festival every success. And it now gives me great pleasure to declare the 2016 Hibiscus Festival open. May God bless you all. May God bless our beloved nation, Fiji. Nawalevu, Dhanyavad, Sukriya, Koyaksha. Thank you. Thank you.